How to make zoom in effect in Canva. So if you want to make zoom in effect in Canva, then what you need to do is you just need to simply open up your Canva at first and just go with the video section and choose any video that you're comfortable with, or you can also choose your own video from your PC or your desktop. Now what you need to do is just simply select any part from your video where you would like to have the zoom in effect. So for example, I want the zoom in effect right here. Then what you need to do is just right click on it and you will have an option of split page. So you just need to simply go and split the page. Once you split your page, now what you need to do is just simply go with the second page and zoom in your second page. But if you're not being able to zoom in your image or your video, then what you can do is you can just simply go with the add transition option, which is here in the middle of the split. Like in other editing applications or editing softwares, you will have keyframe option. But on Canva, we don't have that keyframe option. So what you need to do is just simply go with add transition. And under transition, you can just simply add any transition that you're comfortable with. Like I'll choose dissolve. And once you've selected the transition, you can go with the next page and zoom in your page. So that's it. That's how you can make a zoom in effect in Canva. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.